Hello and welcome to Tatsulok FB. A few months back, I saw this beautiful deck graphic from Club9 Fingerboards. And since that day, I have been patiently waiting for this particular graphic to be back on stock. So I won't keep you waiting and let's open this parcel. Club9 Fingerboards is a fingerboarding shop located in Pampanga. They offer a wide array of fingerboard parts and accessories. But what sets them apart is their deck offerings, which you will see in a bit. My deck came in with an engraved Club9 foam tape, and a couple of Club9 stickers. Here's the deck, and let's begin to unwrap this. Sheesh! Shell graphic in 33mm. This is Club9's signature C9 shape in a 6-ply thickness. The top ply is a nice purple color to match the graphic, and the countersinks are aligned and well made. So there you have it. Please stay tuned for this upcoming build on my channel. I hope you enjoyed hanging around, and I'll see you on my next video.